Greetings from Fresa Technologies. This is Vinodh. I'm heading sales in Fresa. Fresa Technologies has started 10 years back, and today we have a global presence in US, Singapore, Dubai, and India. Fresa Technologies is a global software solution providers for freight forwarding, shipping, and logistics companies. Our global software is being used by 1,600 plus customers in 50 plus countries around the world. We are providing softwares for US, Canada, North America, Europe, Far East, Middle East, African, and other countries. Our core team is having over 25 plus years of experience exclusively in developing and implementing solutions for freight forwarders. This experience is helping us to move forward to become the number one software providers for freight forwarding fraternity. Our proven technology enables to provide a delighted user experience with 99% of customer satisfactory. It helps our customers in optimizing their resources with reduced administrative cost and increase in their quality of services to their end customers. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.